Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Wednesday, February 22nd, 2023.
Please stand for the pledges to the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be rainy with a high of 78 degrees and a low of 63 degrees. Getting colder.
Today's lunch options are chili or chicken.
Yeah.
Cool.
But you didn't know, a cat has 32 muscles in each ear.
What?
Wow, that's
How?
very
I
crazy.
don't even know how much muscles I have in my ear.
Exactly.
Today in history, in 1923, the United States begins the first air-mail route.
Wow.
Awesome.
Cool. Cargo.
Now here's Carter for So Cute I Can.
Hello. Up in Tenanzia Mountains, researchers have found a new science frog species with a unique trait. It doesn't make a sound. The small, silent, spiny throat red frog doesn't croak, chirp, chirp, sing, or ribbit. According to scientists, finding this new member of the frogs is a major victory for conservation efforts. Understanding how many of these frogs exist in the wild and where they live is an integral part of the conversation.
Weird but true. Horses and cows can sleep standing up, but they can only dream while lying down.
That is absolutely crazy. That doesn't make sense.
Now for the joke of the day.
Hey, Archer, what do you call a dinosaur that crashes his car?
I don't know what.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
That's all for today. Let's say our mom together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Archer.
And I'm Maggie.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time.
Fly high, Falcons. Bump, bump, bump.